welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is another Dollar Tree farmhouse DIY. We're going to be making a farmhouse sign, and this is inspired by the Fixer Upper. So I think this is going to be really cute. Let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this super cute Dollar Tree farmhouse sign, okay? You're going to need 2 packets of their wooden rulers. I've used these a couple times and I love them, okay? You're going to need some jute twine from the Dollar Tree, or if you have a big one like this, you could use this as well, but I'll probably use the one from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some Waverly chalk paint in that beautiful hazelnut. I love it so much. And then you're going to need a glue gun and a foam brush. And then the last thing you'll need is this printout, and I'll put it in the description box below. It's a free printable, and it's the Fixer Upper from her Magnolia journal. So I'll show you this. This is so pretty, and there's a lot of other free printables there that you could get if you like that better. But I really love this, and I just printed it out on white cardstock. That's it. So this is going to be so simple. So let me get everything fixed and we'll get started with this really cute Dollar Tree farmhouse sign inspired by the Fixer Up. Okay, the first thing you want to do is just, like I showed before, just take these rulers out of their packs, and this just peels right off right here. And then you just have this nice wood. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and peel them off, and then we will get started painting. Okay, I've taken the part that looks like a ruler off. This side is dimensional. At this step, if you wanted, you could drill another hole here in this, or you could do it after you painted, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm going to do mine a little differently, okay? So let's go ahead and start painting this with this Waverly chalk paint in hazelnut. Okay, I'm not going to have you watch me paint all this because I know you know what I'm doing. I did it the other day, and it's really easy. Just paint the top, the sides, and you don't have to paint the bottom with this because of the way I'm going to be doing it. But this is what we're getting. I think it's going to be really cute. So I'll go ahead, paint the rest of these, and then I'll be back. Okay, and here they are painted. I just love these rulers. I love that effect, okay? So now what we're going to do is you just need to print off, and like I said, I'll leave it in the description box, the link for these free printables. And they're very farmhouse, and they, like I said, are the Fixer Upper inspired. And then what we're going to do, now you can print these out. It says that if you want to print these out larger, like 11 by 14, you have to take them to a like a place that develops pictures or something like that, like an office supply place. They could do it. But I didn't want to go in anywhere. We're opening up, but I just didn't want to do that. So I'm doing this size, the 8.5 by 11. So all you have to do at this point is just, this is going to be so cute, decide whether you want it flat or raised. I'm doing mine raised. And then we're just going to put this right in here, get it in the center as best you can. And see where you need to put that. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue right down the back of this paper as close to the top as I can, all right? And you need to kind of work quickly so it doesn't dry on you. I might have gotten that up too far, but I don't think I did, okay? Then what we're going to do is, this part just really doesn't matter. We're just going to put it all around here. You can leave this all on one side, but I think I'm going to flip my whole over and just line this up. And that is what we're getting so far. I think that is so sweet. This is such an easy little DIY. Now here on the bottom, you have more to play with. You have much more room. Just try to make sure that you get it. And you could measure if you want. I just typically never do. Okay, I'm just going to put some of this right in the white area. And I'm going to flip this over so my hole's on this side. And you could get a square and put it on here if you wanted to make sure you were even. Then we're going to flip this over and then put this one on this side. Like I said, this is really easy. Okay, and that's what we have so far. I think it is so cute, and if you would do it 11.5 by 14 or 11 by 14, that would really be impressive. And if, like I said, you wanted to drill these holes through these back side and then drill through this one to the front side, you could literally hang it that way. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, and you definitely could use this from the Dollar Tree, but since I already have this one unwound, I'm going to do this one. And what I want to do is just start, I'm going to glue this right here on the back of this. Get my little spatula so I don't burn myself, or you could do those little fingertips from the Dollar Tree. I have them, I just can't find them. And I'm just going to start coming around and wrapping this. Okay. Then I'm going to glue this down, or you could leave this a little wider right here and pull, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave it a little wider, pull me enough that I think that I can wrap on this side and then hang it with it. And I think that will work. I'm going to cut this off right in here. Then I'm going to just tie a knot right in this. So it will hold this, and this side will not come loose, okay? All right, then all we have to do is come over to this side and take the bottom one and start wrapping. Just wrap, wrap, wrap. Kind of get it to match your other side as best you can. But remember, this is supposed to be old looking, okay? I think that looks really good, like that, okay? Then what I'm going to do is flip this back over. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, you could tie this down if you wanted, but I'm going to glue it. I'm going to scoot all this over, and right up here, put some glue and hold it down right there. Same principle right here. Going to put some glue right in there and hold this one down. And we are almost finished. Okay, let's take a look. Here it is. I think that is just so sweet, so farmhouse looking. You could hang that on the wall, you could hang it on your pantry door, you could do so much with it. And like I said, I'll put the information for the free printable in the description box, but I think that is very farmhouse. That would even go French country. I just love this. It is really cute, and you can make the string as long as you want. So I'll see you on Wednesday with 2 videos. Another, I think this time it's going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I found a few other things, and then my planner as usual. And then Friday will be another Dollar Tree DIY. I'm really excited. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and become part of our family. And when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye guys.